Today I am reviewing the Sceptre 27-inch 4K IPS UHD monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a stunning, reliable, and versatile 4K monitor, the Sceptre 27-inch 4K IPS UHD monitor is a device that stands out in 2026. Whether you're gaming, streaming, working on creative projects, or simply enjoying multimedia content, this monitor delivers a premium experience that caters to both performance and aesthetics. First, let's talk about the display quality. With a 4K Ultra HD resolution of 3,840 by 2160 pixels, the Sceptre monitor delivers an incredible 4 times the pixels of a standard full HD display. This means sharper images, finer details, and vibrant colors that bring your games, movies, and productivity tasks to life. Every scene pops with clarity, and text appears crisp and easy to read, making it perfect for work and play alike. The IPS panel is another highlight. IPS, or in-plane switching, is renowned for its accurate colors and wide viewing angles, and this monitor takes full advantage of that. Whether you're looking at the screen from the side, above, or below, colors remain consistent, contrast is excellent, and brightness doesn't wash out. This makes it ideal not just for gaming, but also for photo editing, video work, and content creation, where color accuracy is critical. Performance-wise, the Sceptre monitor is built to keep up with fast-paced action. The DisplayPort allows the refresh rate to reach up to 70+Hz, ensuring smoother gameplay and reduced motion blur. Combined with its sharp 4K resolution, this makes your gaming experience immersive and fluid. While it's not quite at 144 Hz, the 70 Hz refresh still gives a noticeable improvement over standard 60 Hz monitors, making it ideal for casual to competitive gamers who also need color accuracy and visual fidelity. Connectivity and convenience are also strong points for the Sceptre 27-inch monitor. It comes with multiple input options including DisplayPort and HDMI, allowing seamless connection to your gaming PC, laptop, or even streaming devices. Additionally, it features built-in speakers, providing basic audio without the need for external speakers. Perfect for casual multimedia use or small setups where desk space is limited. You also get an audio out port, which allows you to connect headphones or an external speaker system if desired. Design and usability are thoughtfully considered. With its machine black finish, the Sceptre monitor has a sleek, professional look that fits any setup. It's wall-mountable for a clean, space-saving installation, and the screen's anti-glare finish ensures comfortable viewing even during long work or gaming sessions. In summary, the Sceptre 27-inch 4K IPS UHD Monitor, U275W-UPT Series 2026, offers a perfect balance of visual quality, color accuracy, and performance. Whether you're a gamer looking for a crisp and immersive display, a content creator in need of accurate colors, or a professional seeking a productivity-friendly monitor, this monitor delivers exceptional value. Its stunning 4K resolution, IPS technology, smooth refresh rates, multiple connectivity options, and built-in speakers make it an all-in-one solution for home and office setups. If you're upgrading your workstation or gaming rig, the Sceptre 27-inch 4K monitor is definitely a choice worth considering.